morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on which part of the world you're watching me from. My name is Joe, your tech handyman. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a full-fledged website using AI. Of course, we understand that AI has actually changed the game on how we do stuff, whether online or offline. So in today's video, I want to show you how you can create a website in less than 10 minutes using a very powerful AI tool. Now, if today is the first time of you watching, please subscribe, like, comment, and then turn on the notifications so that anytime we upload amazing content, you'll be the very first to know. Well, we have all the videos on how to build a website using Wordpress and some other parts to it, so you can check out on the channel. But in today's video, we stay with AI. We build a full-fledged IT consulting website using AI. Remember, when you grow, we grow. If you are ready, let's do it.
Okay guys, from the Google homepage, just type in the search bar whocus.com and click enters whocus. So once it opens, go to this particular link, click on it, it takes you to this place. This is the whocus landing page. So you can see they're telling you that they will help you create a website using AI tools. So you can see beautiful templates on there, even on their homepage. So real quick, you have to input your email, where they write enter your email here to get started. So in this case, I'll quickly input my email like so. So once I'm done with the email, so I will just click on get your AI website. So when you click there, it takes you to this place where you kind of like chat to supply information that they use to create your website. The first one is asking about the category. What category best describes your website's purpose? Examples are here. You can actually type it here, but I prefer to select it from here. So I'll go for online store. There is offer services, there is courses, there is food and drinks, there is credit portfolio, there is a blog. So in this case, I will go for courses, online or offline. So when you click there are all manner of courses here, all manner of courses. So I'll quickly go to IT, banking, IT training school. Once done, click on continue. So you're basically interacting with this AI, supplying it information to use to build your website. So in this case, it's asking me to select the services that I'm going to be offering on this website. So I will quickly select everything like so, and then once done, just click on continue. It will take you here to another page where you'll be asked to put your what your website will do, what you want to do with your website. So it's very interactive. It's very interactive. So in this case, I'll just select everything as well, and then click continue. That means I want to do everything. So by the next one, it will ask you about your business location. So you have options. You can actually input your business address by clicking here, but in this case, I will go for online business only. So I'll click on that one. It takes me here again. Then it's going to ask the name of my business. So here you are going to type the name that your business will bear. As easy as that. Here I will just type Tribe IT Consults. That's the name of the business, imaginary business I'm creating here. So once done, click continue. It will take you here to another page here where it asks you to select 3 unique things about your business. Okay, so there are actually a whole lot of options here. It's like your unique selling points that is asking you so that you can project it. There are a whole lot: loyalty programs, affordable prices, exceptional customer service. I think I go for these 3. Feedback oriented. So I go for these 3. Once done, click on continue. Yours can be different from mine. Just ensure you select something that reflects your business. Now, asking how would you like the website visitors to contact you? So I think the first one is like contact form. So what you click on, so as you go to your that is what you will achieve on the page so that details can be. Just click on add. once done, just click on add and then click on continue. Okay, so the creation process has started immediately. So as it stands, it is in seconds, literally. Your site is ready in seconds. So you can change the color palette by selecting different color palette. I'm just testing it. I think I like this now. So for the front page, you can select so once you're satisfied with anyone, I like this form. So just select on it and click on create my website, just like so. Within seconds, all the assets, all the resources you need to put together, and then voila, your website is ready, like so. So you can go to new website. I would like to open another tab so you can see how it looks. So this is how it looks. It's amazing. If you want to create this website, probably with CSS, with HTML, CSS, and maybe JavaScript, it will take you a while, a bit. Okay, but within seconds, thanks to the power of AI, just interacting with the AI system, voila, your website is out. Different sections. This is our team section, and then nicely done. You can see our contact section, nicely done as well. And then at the footer, you see your email, phone, and address. You can actually add your logo here. I'll show you how to customize it briefly. So the website is just come out very clean. Okay, it's not just a one-page pages. For instance, this is the amount of page. Nicely relevant graphics, relevance. But if you decide to change, this is another page. This is for services, our courses in this case. So nicely done with pricing, nicely done. And then the contact us page is still here as well. So this is not like the one of page where you have is the testimonial page where you have only one page of it. So there's like a store, added in the same thing with the blog. They are not having this blog. So this is how it is. So we go back home and then click on and see how we can customize this real quick. So this is how it looks. You can use this panel, for instance, pages to really customize stuff. You can customize all the pages here from this and thing. And then for the button, you can use this tab to change the button to make it the way, to customize it the way you want it to look. So for the design aspect of things, you can take your time to really change the color palette that suits the particular type of business you want to do. You can really toggle around, play around, and see what works in your own specific case. Okay, it's really beautiful, I have to tell you. It's really beautiful and quick. You can see literally in minutes we already have a website. So here where you have the edits, you can adjust things, enhance both the visual end of your website. Okay, and for functionality, you can add pages, you can add sections, you can edit some pages, for instance. You can like an editing for the page by adding pages, moving things around, designing, making it to suit your specific purpose. Very, very powerful, I have to tell you. You can add sections using this. You can actually upload stuff like the logo I mentioned earlier. You can use this tab to upload your logo and then do a whole lot of things. So going back to the website, looks good. So guys, try out this very important